Checky, check, check, check. Mic check, mic check. Troops. Gotta be. You gotta be so quiet. The boy's asleep next door. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. Right. Checky, check, 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 mic check, mic check. Fuck it tonight. Oh, I'm off again. And the only thing I've been drinking is tea. Look at that. Right then. Anything happening today, troops? Let's start with AMC. Let's start with AMC, shall we? I've put the Fibonacci's on. You might expect a pullback somewhere around here. Oh shit! Oh my gosh! Oh, troops! I can't see anything. Right then. Let me have a swig of H2O. So, welcome one, welcome all to the greatest show on earth. Oh, Kevin, pure hedgy tears, then. Oh, delicious. Right then. Troy. Yes. Oh, there you go. Oh, guys, let me just catch up on the old chatterbox and see who we have got in here. Give me 1 second. I need to close that down so I can see who is here and who is not. Squirrel, good evening, my friend. Welcome back. Hold it together, mate. I'm trying again. Sam, let's try again on the count of 1, 2, 3. Kevin's in. Kevin Yates, Giddy Mark. There you go, mate. Denton's in. Welcome back, Denton. My Chesters. Bro, you should feel mine. Oh, I thought you were drinking only tea and water tonight, Kevin. Only tea and water, my friend. Lars, welcome back, buddy. The Laughing Studio, there you go. Squirrel, pretty slow day, yeah. No action, really took a nap. Nothing to see here. Move along, please. Oh gosh, let me catch up with the chat and then I'll get onto the technical analysis. You'll like that. Oh my gosh. Right then, Troy's at 600k. Get in, brother. Well done. Denton, remember when I asked if I should increase my position to 2,000 shares? Well, I'm at 4,100 now. Boom! There you go. That's what it's all about. It's been an uneventful day. I'm freaking bored, says Adam. Troy, Remember, they haven't even started covering shorts yet. Mate, I'm getting on to that. So, give me 1 second, troops. I was just checking on the boys. He's Sparko. So we're good. Right then. Calm down, Mark. How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing? So, right then. Right then. AMC, let's start with the start of the show today. Troops, it all started in after hours and pre-market yesterday. You could see we had this run up in aftermarket, and from there here this run up in aftermarket and pre-market to a high of around $45, something like that, and we have just not stopped all day long. Look at that. Aside from here and here, this is where the trading halt was. One of them, anyway. I think there's been 5 trading halts today, and I did say, I think I said on one of my videos that you'll know when we're getting going, because we'll start having trading halts. We've not had any trading halts yet. Today they've come. They have come. So we are currently sitting at 62.60-ish, 95% up, $30 on the share. Troops, congratulations to everybody that has held this far. I do believe we are just getting going. People are saying in the chat, it's not even started yet. It's not even, they're not even started covering. I could not agree more. I'm going to go quickly over to GME because there's a bit of a push on there. Here we go. High of the day, 294, but a very, very similar story. 14% up, $35 on the share. Troops, currently at 284.93, pushing for 285 onto 290. We have about 58 minutes left of trading, and I do believe, like yesterday, we're going to see even more after hours. I've probably jinxed it now for us, but that's what I honestly believe is going to happen. Again, with that restricted trading, you might see some people covering blah, 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 blah. Let us see. Where are we? Just an ordinary 100% day. Move along. There you go, Kevin. Van Cleve's in. Hello, buddy. How are you doing? You've only invested 6K. Hit 50K in my portfolio. First time ever. Dude, doing it, man. Doing it. Troy, $100 after hours. Do you know what, Troy? I think you might just be right, my friend. Denton made a Tesla Model S today. That was quick, Denton. How did you do that? Where did you buy the parts? Van Cleve, this isn't the squeeze. There you go. Adam, don't say that, Troy. We'll lose Auntie. Auntie's there. Good evening, Auntie. Hi there, all. Hi, Auntie. Are we doing price predictions? We certainly are. Give me 2 seconds because I want to show you BlackBerry's also running. COS is also running. So all of these stocks that were running in tandem before are all going again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the fibs for now. And I'm going to put AMC, GME side by side into the close. There's your AMC. Switch over there. There's your GME. There you can see where we're going into the close, troops. Let's keep an eye on both. Now, while I'm flicking between screens and filling out the spreadsheet, please do keep me informed in the chatter if things start to get exciting again, because I will nip back over and have a look. Right, let me get the old spreadsheet up. Here we go. Stick that there, and then I need to change to there, and you should all be able to see the spreadsheet. So, scores on the doors, please, troops. One at a time. Keep it clean. Van Cleve, I don't think TA really applies now. Absolutely, it does not. It does not, troops. This is new territory. So, who wants to go first? AMC, GME, your closing price predictions, troops. Let's get them in nice and early this evening, so that we can crack on with the rest of the show. How are we doing for feed? It looks like I've got quite a stable connection at the moment. Approximately a 5-second pre-programmed delay. I better AMC. Adam, you first up, mate. AMC 69.69, how very apt. Van Cleve 76.50 and 297.35. Oh, I like that one. I like both of them. GME, who cares? Okay. Denton 72.50. And 299.95. Ollie's in. Welcome, buddy. How you doing? Get your scores in. Squirrel 69.420. I put in 69.42 Squirrel and 299.69. I'm spotting a recurring theme here. There we go. Anyone else? Anyone else? Scores on the doors, troops. I'm keeping an eye on the price over here so I can just about see what's going on. But if it does take off suddenly, let me know, please. Oh, by the way, congratulations to the greatest football team in Europe. Fact. Sam 67.40. Oh, 67,040, Sam, yeah, for AMC. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? And 286.70. There we go. Who else we got? Troy. 85 on AMC. You can go in for GME as well, Troy, even if you don't hold any, mate. It's absolutely fine. Ollie. 96. GME 300 and a penny. There we go. We're flying in. Kevin. 72. 21. 269.60. Auntie. 58.01. Oh, the naysayer of the group. 273.50. There we go. Not doing too bad, troops. Right, Mark. I'll put mine in. I'm gonna go 68.47 on AMC and 284.40 on GME. There we go. Lars is in. Lars, you're in. 77.67. 286.23. There we go. Kevin 13. There you go. So, troops, have I missed anybody? I don't think I have. Troy, if you want to put in, Adam, if you want to put in for GME, let me know. We'll save that, minimise that, and we'll get back to the old Charteroonies. Before we do that, troops, I've got something to tell you. I've got an announcement to make. You may or may not like this announcement, but I think you're going to love it, to be honest. Because we've done it, troops. Look at this. Woo! Oh, the YouTube challenge, currently sitting at £3,469. There you go. In profit. In profit. A portfolio value of £4,608 as I look at it now. You can see that we're all in. We're all in. We're all in on those carefully selected on the fundamental kind of stocks. Oh, but there you go, troops. The YouTube challenge, our day trading pot is building up very, very nicely indeed. We just need to make sure that we manage this account for the future, and we consider the future, because I want funds available in here, ready for the after the squeeze, post squeeze. So that's my only expectation there, is that keeps growing to such a point where I decide, I'm pulling so much of it out, or I'm doing whatever to make sure that there's funds in there going forward. But we started off with just over £1,000. Well, we started off with £1,000, and then we transferred some profits over from eToro, and we ended. I think our initial deposit was £1,200 or something, with the £1,000 plus the eToro stuff. So we are, it's about £1,200. Look, £1,150. So yeah, there we go. We should keep an eye on that, troops, and I will be open and transparent about when I sell those stocks. You can be rest assured about that. But yeah, really pleased to share that with you, because you've most of you have been here since the very beginning of this challenge. So we're doing it together, troops. Auntie, a very well balanced portfolio. That's what I thought, Auntie. We've got a bit of entertainment sector in there, a bit of the tech sector, and a little bit of, I don't really know what BlackBerry. A bit of nostalgia, maybe. I think it's quite a widespread. We're covering all bases. Right, we're getting a run. I'm going to put the charts back up, troops. We are getting a run. Here we go. We're off to the races. 66.60. Come on, the move stocks. That's what we like to see, troops. What's everybody been doing the past few days then? Tell me. Charts are on, Sam. Charts are on. Don't worry. I'm looking after you all. Anybody new lurking around in the views wants to drop by and say hello, please do feel free. We're a very friendly bunch here. Very welcoming. So welcoming, in fact. I'll demonstrate how welcoming we are. You know what to do, troops? Drop some swords in the chat for any lurkers that are wanting to join in and feeling a little bit unsure. Here we go. Come on, 66. How long we got left? Oh, we've still got 45 minutes of trading left, troops. 45 minutes. I want to talk about the drop, the big ass drop after the halt here. Tell me, troops. 2.5 million shares there, 4.5 million shares there, 7 million shares. 7 million shares in 2 minutes. Where have they come from then? Because I don't believe that's retail. Not at all. And look how quickly we gobbled them back up again. Thank you very much. We'll take those all day long. Ollie. Where's Hodgie? We're missing Hodgie. Do you know what, Ollie? I think it was, mate. What time was it? 12:32. I think it was exactly the same time, mate. There you go. 12:33, 12:32. Exactly the same time, mate. Exactly the same time. And I think it was the same on all of them. If I get BlackBerry up, just as an example, I think it was the same. Where are we? Here. Here, look. There. 12.32, 12.33, 12.34. Tell me that's not something dodgy going on. Really. 68 troops. We're pushing. We're pushing. I've put AMC on again. I want GME on there. We are pushing, troops. 68.50. Look at this. Come on. Let's keep going. What's the high of the day? 72.62. Let's think big, troops. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Really. I've never had a 100% day on any of my stocks ever. Not once. Not once have I had a 100% day. Has anybody else? Has anybody else had a 100% day ever? I haven't, for sure. What's the word on the street then, troops? What's the word on the street? Anything? Let's talk about Fudrick yesterday. What was that all about? Buying 8.5 million shares last week and then selling them. How stupid do they feel? How stupid do they feel today? Unbelievable. Why would you even do that? Alex Vela, welcome, buddy. Sell so you can buy the dip. You can buy some of mine, mate, if you want. I'll send you some of mine. They're cheap at only $2 million. I'm only joking. Alex, welcome. Everybody, welcome, Alex. You know what to do. Alex, we do play a game here whereby we put a price guess, not a prediction. We don't do predictions here. A price guess for the close of business. If you would like to join in, you can give me your price predictions, your price guesses for AMC and GME, and I can add them to the spreadsheet. I do like a spreadsheet, I must admit. There's no pressure, Alex. There's no obligation to join in. But if you want to ping me two prices, and then I can add you to the leaderboard, to the scoreboard. $100 by tomorrow for sure on AMC. What do you think the close, Alex? What do you think for the close? Let me add you to the spreadsheet. Tell us where you're from, Alex. Tell us. You don't need to tell us your position, but are you all in AMC? Are you all in GME, or are you spread across the two? Again, no obligation to answer. We'll keep it private here. Look at costs, man. 73% up. That's ridiculous. I was looking at that this morning. Put your costs on there, look. Oof. That's Costa's chart today. Look at that. Wow. Does that mean we have to... Whoa. Does that mean we have to say goodbye to Auntie tomorrow? Why have we got to say goodbye to Auntie tomorrow? Oh, $100. You're cashing out at $100, Auntie. There you go. Well, it's all right when you've got 5 million shares, isn't it? You can do that. What have we got left, troops? 40 minutes to the close. Fruit is in. How are you doing? How are you doing? Welcome back. Do you want to play the price predictor, Fruity? Do you want to put a couple of prices in for the close of business, AMC and GME? Completely up to you, of course. You don't have to. Cannabis. I don't think I've got any on here. Not sure. We can have a look at some. What are they again? Give me a cannabis ticker. Fruity, AMC 90%, 107 fruity, 107. And GME 18%. Currently 14.8%. No competition here. Everybody's getting paid. That's all that matters. SNDL, let's have a look, Squirrel. Let's have a look. Aurora, that's the one. That's the one I was thinking of. SNDL. Huh? Blimey. 14.5% up. Aurora. That's what I can't remember the ticker for it. Aurora Cannabis. There we go. What's this one doing? Wow, look at this. Up 6.2%. 71 cents. Very nice. Very nice. Tilray. Let's have a look at Tilray, Sam. Ooh, yeah, look at that. $2 up. Just under $2 up. What an absolute stonking day for everybody. Unbelievable. Look at this. $72 all the way down. But look how quickly that got gobbled up again. Super quick. Look at that. How similar are they? That's ridiculous. Crazy, man. You're right, Squirrel, it does. It does feel like late January again, but I think this time it's on our side, not on their side. I think we've got control now. Not them. Not them. I wasn't expecting this today at all, really. I thought we might, stay where we were pre-market. And I was kind of happy with that. And then it just kept running. Unbelievable. Oh, here we go, look. Whee! All the way down. Your voice is ASMR? What does that mean, Fruity? I don't know. Have I got robot voice again? Oh, look at this. Exactly the same time, look. Unbelievable, Jeff. You did, Kevin, yeah. What gave you that impression? What gave you that impression, mate? Share your knowledge with us. My neighbour's upstairs. I don't know what they're doing. Hold on tight, troops. This is the one. This is what they're going to try and do now. They're going to try and drag us all the way down, I think. Not all the way down, but they're going to do the best that they can to bring us down. What amazes me is that they're still trying. Like, surely they've realised it's not working. Almost sounds masculine related. Shut up, Adam. Good one, though. It's a good one. Hang on, troops. I've just got to reply to these messages. This is likely day traders and paper hands. Do you think so, Kerr? I don't think it is. I don't believe that. I don't believe that. I mean, what's that candle? Opened at 65.85. I just don't believe that many people decide to sell at that price. Really. I think this is more retail, like this. This kind of stuff. These big ones, I just don't think it is. I'm probably wrong. It won't be uncommon. I'm just not convinced it is. I mean, that dropped. What did that drop? 65.85. That dropped nearly $4 in a minute. High to low. I think we're too far out, Kevin. I think we're too far out from the bell, really. Just my opinion. And like I said, it's probably wrong. It wouldn't be uncommon. It's Auntie's shares. There you go. Auntie's gone. Let me check the Discord. Auntie has left the chat. There you go. Anyway, we're 96% up, troops, on AMC. It's most likely Bruce day traders. It's most likely Bruce selling his AMC. Seriously, seriously, I do think part of this is retail selling and shorts capitalise on them. No, I agree, mate. Like this, like I said, I think this is retail selling here. Here, I'm not sure. 1.2 million. I think maybe here, at the top. You know, you got to be lucky to get it there. But these, I don't think it can be. Again. Just my opinion. Probably wrong. What we're doing volume-wise, 705 million shares today. Unbelievable. What we're doing on GME. 14. You see that? That's still quite low volume, that, for GME. They're only just over the 3-month average. I think last week they had a 20 million day, or maybe a week before. It was up to 20 million. So they've got, 13.5%, nearly 14% off quite low volume, really. Can you imagine what it's going to be like when GME start having 100% days? God. Kevin, I'm confused. Bruce promised me yesterday the AMC hype was over. There you go, man. There you go. You should try his travelling channel instead. It's probably better than mine, to be fair. My first option ever is now up $2,733 off 213 investment. It's 40 strike for June the 18th. Should I keep it, guys? No, no financial advice here, Denton. And to be honest, I've never touched options, so I wouldn't like to say one way or the other, my friend. You can only do what you think is best. But it's quite a way out, isn't it? It's still got some time to run, that. No, no halt, Denton. We're still going. I'm surprised he's still alive, to be honest. I thought he would have keeled over with a heart attack by now, looking at this. You know what he's probably doing? He's probably saying, yeah, you know, AMC's up 97%, but it's still below per share in value. You know, it's only up $31. GME's up $34. That's he's probably spinning it like that. I should leave him alone, really. Sounds like I've got an obsession with him. Who thinks $100 after hours? Who thinks $100 after hours for AMC? If you do, drop some swords in the chat. If you think $100, I'm just going to put it on a single chart, see what's going on. Right, what we got here? Higher lows all the time, troops, all the time. Look at that. Beautiful. What's that saying for the close there? 63.65. Oh, that's a bit high. 63.27. Let's see. Squirrel thinks $100 after hours. Do you know what? After today, I think it could as well. What's the fibs? What can we retrace to? Good question, Adam. Let's have a look, mate. I mean, we can retrace to zero, technically speaking, but let's have a look where we're at today. Old Fibonacci's on. There you go. So 50 to 54, I'd say, Adam. 50 to 54. Can't see it happening. What city do you live in, Mark? I live in Czech Republic, and I live in a town. I live near a town. The nearest city is Brno, Brno. I'll put it in the chat. And it's the second largest city in the Czech Republic. I live in a little town just outside. Nice little place, really. Buy the dip, guys. Tomorrow you'll wish you could get it for 65. There you go. I'll put the side-by-sides on. GME's off again. 285 now, GME. Cool, Blackberry's been hammered back down. Look, that was at $16 at one point. Oh. No AMC theatre in Brno. No, mate, no AMC theatres in the whole of the Czech Republic. Brno, those letters don't seem like they should go together. You should see some of the other words, Kevin. It's unbelievable trying to pronounce them. Some words have no vowels. Is that a bull flag on AMC? Let me have a look. Whoa, let's just watch this for a sec, Ollie. I'll go back to it, mate. How are you going to get your free popcorn? I'll get it in London. Don't worry about that. I'll be over there in high time. Are you sure that isn't a stock ticker and you're confused? Yeah. Good point. Let's see if it is one. We'll stick it in here. Let's see if it's a ticker. Shut the front door. Well, there you go, troops. There you go. Look at that. Delisted. Let's try one of the others. Delisted. Delisted. They're all delisted. YOLO. Let's YOLO on those troops. Get in on Brno. Get in on Brno. Ollie wanted the bull flag. Let's have a look. You mean from this morning, Ollie? From the whole day? What's going on? Weeble's not working. Come on. There we go. Yep. Yep. There you go, troops. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There you go. Got this ascending level of support and this descending resistance line there. Not that really, I mean, this is all you can do now. On AMC, there's no historical, there's nothing historical to look back on at this level to try and, you know, see where support and resistance is previously. So you're literally doing it on a daily basis, and you can only use the daily, this 1 minute chart. You got your others. I mean, let's look at it on the hourly, see what it looks like. I mean, even that's ridiculous, you know. But if you're looking for support and resistance, you know, you got your support there, at, what's that, 61.75. Resistance, where are we there? We say there actually. Tip of the wick, 65.93. 67.79. 68.57, and then the high of the day. So, hate to be a freaking downer here, but Mark, you seem to have lost a few subscribers. What the hell did you lose a few bots? Did I really? Did I really lose a few? I got 800 yesterday. I got through the 800. Is it really? I see those people kept spamming, and Hodgie put a message on. I think it was Hodgie. I'm sure it was Hodgie. Someone said something. You should trade with such and such, with some phone number on there. And Hodgie came on and said he touched my mum and she was in palliative care. So he was really winding them up for me. Well, oh, that's a shame if I'm back under 800, but never mind. We go again, troops. We go again. It'll grow of its own accord. Not going to cry over it. I didn't expect to get 10 subscribers, to be honest. Never mind 800. Still see, it was 801 this morning. Still seeing 800. Yeah. There you go. It does go up and down. I guess, you know, people chop and change what they like, don't they? And you know, I guess, you know, there's people that have subscribed that have unsubscribed, and that's fair enough, you know. Not fussed either way, troops. You guys are doing me just fine. Thank you very much. What we got left? 18 minutes, troops. 18 minutes. See if we can get a push in the last 15 minutes. Oh, so I've been helping my mate in his garden last couple of days, and my back is in absolute bits. Absolute bits. So I'm sat on one of my dining chairs because it's a bit more solid than the computer chair. The IKEA office chair that I've got, that is obviously, you know, well built for long sitting, not. Oh, give it up, Shorts. Let us run. Come on, let's go. 100%. We're up 100%. That's it. Close the market. That's all I want to see. Ollie needs to push. I've only got 1% battery. There you go. Where's your charger? Have you built it into your alcove by mistake, Ollie? I unsubbed to AMM. Oh, Andrew Mo Money. What's he up to these days? Is he still going? Mark helped me make that decision. There you go. Oh, a quick look ahead, troops, while we're getting into the close. So next week, Monday and Tuesday, I'll be doing definitely be doing Power Hour. I may even do a bell to bell one day. Now, bearing in mind, I do tend to give the stocks the curse when I do the bell to bell, so I may start doing a bell to bell, and if it goes a bit dry, I'll log off. But I might be able to get on all day one day next week. Look at costs, man. 68% on costs. $16.50. Mo money is dark. Only saw 600 or so watching him today. Really? He had thousands watching him at one point. Come on, Shorts, leave it out, man. Matt had almost 50,000. Matt Cause. I saw his interview. He did an interview yesterday with Fox, didn't he? I thought he spoke very well, to be honest. $73,000 watchers, Ollie. Wow. That's a lot of people tuning in, that. But the thing is with Matt, he's consistent, isn't he? He's every day, bell to bell every day, and that's great if you've got the opportunity to do that. It's fantastic. I completely, encourage him to keep going doing that if he can, But unfortunately, for some of us, it's not that possible, So you don't get the same exposure. But then this way, the way it's happened for me, I've got to know people a bit better. Do you know what I mean? It's like you've been on one long moderator interview for the Discord. 10 minutes to go, troops. 10 minutes. Who remembers the Battle of 801? It's not about 1 cent anymore. It's about 1%. 1%, not 1 cent. 1%. We want to finish at 100%, not 99%. 100%. Hey Mark, can you take a look at skills? SKLZ. Can, Kevin? Yeah, I can. Let me put it on this one. Skills Inc. What do these do, Kevin? Give us the lowdown. Give us the lowdown of what they do. What's going on here today then? I mean, looking at it, Kevin, obviously you've got the this is on a a larger time frame, so you might want to look in a bit more detail. But you've got actually stick it there. So you've broken out of that now, and you are in an upward channel, my friend. And you've also broken there. So you've even broken out of the upward channel, which is good. They've had some news then. What's on the news for them? Skills to acquire marketing platform Archive to expand footprint across mobile gaming industry. Ah, okay. There you go then. So they're breaking out, mate. They're breaking out. I would say looking at this daily chart, Kev. Yeah, there's resistance there. $23. All I would say is, mate, be prepared. I mean, it's $23 high of the day, 21.30, so it's having a bit of a pullback anyway. I'd watch it for a few days, Kevin, and see if see if it continues starting to build. You might see it now. Let's see it finishes here. It might start building another channel. Do you know what I mean? On that positive news. But you might also get, the old sell the news type of thing. So you might get those people who've been holding this, who start to sell it. But watch it for a few days. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll add it to the watch list. $66.20 now on. We'll come back to skills after. Let me get back on GME. What the? Oh, that's a daily chart. I thought that was a 1 minute candle. Electronic games on your, there you go. Daniel Panko, welcome Daniel. How are you doing? New person in the Mark My Words chat. Regulars, you know what to do. Welcome Daniel to the chat and the channel. Thank you very much. Daniel, so when this squeezes, where does one go to look for shares on loan to ascertain our own time frame to sell? Fintel, Daniel, is a good one. What else? Ortex, but I don't have access to Ortex. It's a paid service. I'm thinking about getting it though. I'm actually thinking about using some of the hedge fund money to fund a year's subscription to Ortex. Put the money to good use, They're helping me to help myself to help everybody else. There you go. Aren't they kind? Mark will be laughing. Watch Matt or Trey when it's squeezing. They will let you know what's up. Maybe Mark if he's available and not laughing the whole stream. There you go. Very true. Very, very true. But yeah, I'm thinking about getting Ortex. Might as well put some of this money to good use and help my knowledge and also give you guys something as well. Because I'm going to go short hunting after this is done. And guess who's on the list? Guess who's got a short interest of 30%? Clovis. Oh, yeah. My baby Clovis. The only difference there is I think the CEO might be in on it because he never does anything to protect the stock. Thank you. I'm told to watch the shares on loan go down to know when to exit positions. I'm not sure, but do you have any other things to look out for? Um, what I would say, Daniel, and obviously I can only give my opinion, um, is to look for how quick there's a rebound from a drop. So if there's a quick rebound, so for example on AMC today, where we had the drops, let me just find it again, 12.32 wasn't it? There or thereabouts. So this, for example, you can see this drop here. Look how quickly we rebounded. You know, I mean, that's the high of the day, and we've not got back up there, but we came all the way down, and within a minute, you know, and within 4 minutes, 5 minutes, we were pretty much back to where that started. So if you see that, I wouldn't be too concerned. It's when you see that and a little bit of consolidation, and then it goes again, and a little bit more sideways, and then it goes again. That's what I'll be looking for, to be honest. But like many people have said, this won't be a quick thing. I don't think. I think there's going to be so much covering that needs to be done. You're going to have time to sit and evaluate uh, what your own personal assessment is. And I'm not sure if you've been watching any of my videos, Daniel, or any of my live streams. The only thing I ever say is follow your own instinct and don't jump on anybody else's hype train, or don't follow anybody else's hype train, because everybody's situation is different and everybody's situation is unique to them. So what's good for me might not be good for someone else. What's good for someone else might not be good for me. That's it. That's my strategy. I know, and I've shared it openly with the guys that are regulars here. You know, there's there's two there's two tangible things I want from this, um, and once I've achieved that, you know, I will pull some money out, and the rest will just be left to ride. So that's it. That's where I'm at with it. But don't stress it, mate. Don't stress it. Make sure you just look after yourself and your own interest and what's best for you, and you won't go far wrong from there, mate. Anyone know if we're trading above the VWAP? No, well below it. Well below. This is day traders. This is day traders. What we got left? 20 seconds. Come on. Close the market. Give us a 100% day. Give us a 100% day. Daniel, thank you. I appreciate it. No problem, my friend. No problem at all. No, 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 no. Get back up there. Get back up there. Oh, man. 102.47%, it says there. Let's let them calibrate. They take a minute or two to calibrate. Does anyone know if we're trading above VWAP? We're not now. We're not now. Let's let them sort out what's going on, troops, and then I'll put them on the big chart. Look, we'll have one each. Just have a look at the day. I can get rid of the fibs. Don't think we need them. I don't think we need the pullback zone either. So there we go, troops. What an absolutely stonking day. We started with a low of 35.60. We've closed at 64.87, a 102.47% gain on AMC. $32.83 on the share. Absolutely disgusting gains, troops. And I, like many others, do believe this has not even started. We have not even scratched the surface. We did have a high of 72.62 just before, and then we got a trading halt, which was followed by a sell-off. And then GME, over to GME. Again, a similar story. A beautiful day, a low of 244.30, a high of 294, followed by a trading halt, followed by a sell-off, closing the day at 13.39% up, $33.34 on the share, troops. Congratulations to everybody. I'm not sure if you saw my video from this morning, but if you didn't, what I did say was this is where everything that we have been waiting for and talking about over the last 3-4 months, whatever it is, when you got in, all those things are now going to start coming into play. So the FOMO, the fear of missing out, all those people who were a bit unsure, imagine sitting watching this a few days ago when it's at $12 last week. $14. We broke $14.50. Remember when we broke $14.50? Then we came back under. All those people that were sat there not sure have now seen it at $64. So the FOMO's gonna kick in. The options obviously is gonna kick in. The covering is gonna have to start soon, you would think. I did see somewhere, actually, it was on Reddit, I saw some guy who said, look, don't think that those guys who shorted either stock at $3 or whatever are still holding those short positions. What they'll do is they'll average up. So people say why they keep shorting, well, they're averaging up like we do. They're averaging up on their short position, but eventually that will become unsustainable. So, just bear that in mind. Anyway, I want to just look at the spreadsheet, troops, and let's see who won the old. There we go. So, what was the closing price? We have 282.36. Oh, look at that. 284.40. I'll take that. And then AMC showing 64.87. 67.40, I think, is the closest. Sam. So well done, Sam, for AMC, and well done, me, for GME. There we go, troops. Is it adjusted now? I'm seeing 62.55 in the chatter. Denton, no problem, sir. It was great to see you here, and we hope to see you again very soon, my friend. Absolute pleasure to have you here. Congratulations on getting more shares as well. AMC 64.87. That's what's showing on the. That's what's showing on. That's not a 1 minute candle. What's going on here? One day, 1 minute. There you go. Right then. We're trying after hours as well, troops lot. Put GME on. After hours, up 154. Let's watch this for a little while. Don't feel obliged to stay around. I'm going to look on NYSE and see what it says on the stock exchange. It's got 64.13 on AMC for the close on the New York Stock Exchange website. Oh, Auntie said 59. Yeah, but Auntie sold, so, you know, can't really play. Can't really play. Paulro, thanks for all the information, sir. New sub, new supporter, continue like that. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you. I really, really appreciate it. Jacob's back. AMC is the greatest company to ever exist. There you go, Jacob. Huh? Auntie. Having a laugh at everyone else's expense, lot. Winding it up. Size in, how you doing, buddy? I'm doing very well, thanks, mate. How are you doing? Not seen you for a few days. Well, saying that, I've not been streaming for a few days, so it's not like you're going to pop round for a cup of tea, is it? Some new FUD articles out. Oh, really? There you go. What do they say? AMC disastrous day at only 100% gain. Something like that. GME's off, look. You never know, mate. You never know, Si. Yeah, welcome the new troops. Welcome the new troops. You know what you got to do? I'll join you. I chuck some swords in the chat. Welcome to everybody. Welcome one. Welcome all. There we go. Jacob, AMC will hit 170 by end of day tomorrow. Your price prediction, mate. I hope you are 100% right on that. I'd love it. Size up $30,000 on the day, mate. I love it. I love it, really. I do my calculation normally at about 10:30 because I have to. A couple of my brokers are they operate on a 15-minute delay, so you know I have to wait for them all to calibrate and catch up on closing prices. AMC will fall hard because they aren't changing the world like Tesla. Yahoo Finance. Oh yeah, that well-trusted source of information for the financial sector. Yahoo. Wasn't that a search engine at one point? How did it become a finance specialist? Saw that story. What BS? Yeah. Sam clocking off. Oh, clocking out the 9 to 5. Time to enjoy a beer, some music, and AMC after hours. Go get him, Sam. Go and tell your dad to diamond hand. Yeah. Make sure he's diamond handing. Tell him I'm watching for his candle, and it better be green. Have a good day, dear, and see you again soon. Paul Rowe, which is your floor? Oof. Oh, I don't get into that, Paul Rowe. Sorry, dude. That's one thing I don't do. I don't talk about prices here. All I say is you do your own thing. You do your own floor, and I don't care. Uh, I don't care where you sell, where you buy, how you sell. That's all up to you. That's all up to you. Everybody does their own thing to look after themselves. That's all I will say. They do sports as well. Just wait until Amazon partners up with AMC. Do we think that's going to happen? Looks like you're getting bots in the chat. There's loads of them, Si. Honestly, I need some mods. I need some mods to mod the mods. Sam's still working. Paul you have an exit strategy, you mean, Paul with GME and AMC? An exit strategy. If you're asking if I've got an exit strategy, I do. I do have an exit strategy, and it's to get out of this with as much money as possible. And the only thing I suggest or I share here is that I looks like I'm dropping out. Yeah, I'm dropping some frames here. There we go. Should be okay now. The only thing I do, Paul Rowe, is there's two things I want to get out of this, and I've talked about one of them before. And once I've achieved those, once I've got enough capital to achieve those, I'll be pulling some out then, and the rest will be left, not forever. I'll certainly be leaving some in both for a long time. But yeah, my exit strategy is to get out with as much money as possible. And nobody can judge the top. Nobody can tell you where the top is. Nobody can tell you where it's going to start, where it's going to end, where the floor is, where the ceiling is, whatever you want to call it. Nobody can tell you that. Again, I'll keep saying it. I'll keep banging the drum. Do what is best for you. Do what's best for you and your family and your loved ones and your own unique situation, because everybody is in their own unique situation. Lars, thanks for a nice evening, Mark, and all of you. Lars, have a good evening too, buddy. Thanks for joining us again, and we'll see you again soon, my friend. Hodgie, sorry I'm late. What did I miss? Nothing, Hodgie. In fact, since you've turned up, both the tickers have turned red. So turn yourself around and get out the chat. I'm joking, mate. How are you doing? You had a good day? I saw your comment to one of the bots on on one of my videos. Something about touched your mum who was in palliative care at the time. That made me laugh. Jacob, why else would they be trying to find all of the synthetic shares? I'm a bit lost. I need to catch up. I'm a bit lost on that comment, Jacob, I'll be honest. Adam, mod that, Mark. Puro, yes, sorry. Inside means you are getting the word out. Keep it up, mate. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, over got 800 subscribers now, which is nice. It's been a nice steady growth to the channel. And long may it continue. We just keep doing what we're doing, troops. We keep it light-hearted. Don't take it too seriously. You know, this is all just a bit of fun. But it's a journey that a lot of people are on, and I'm glad I'm documenting it. And I didn't. I obviously none of us intended for this to happen. You know, people who've been following my story know I fell into GME and AMC purely through luck more than anything. It wasn't. It was on my radar in January when they went up, and I was chatting to my mate in London about it, and I said, "Have you seen this, especially GME?" And we both agreed when it was at $400. Said, "Yeah, we've probably missed it now." And then it came all the way back down again, and that's when I discovered Reddit and all that sort of stuff, and started reading all the due diligence that's out there, and decided that when it was at a reasonable price, I'd buy in. So I got my first shares back in February, I think it was. Speak for yourself. We're nothing but serious. There you go. Super serious. There you go. Si, how much did the short end interest go up today? I'm not sure, mate. Let me just look on Twitter and see what Ortex have tweeted. Give me a second, and then I'll pull it up and see. Ortex. Here we go. So the last tweet from Ortex was 2 hours ago, and they're saying that short interest is now 18.06% of the free float. But take that, with a pinch of salt, because it was 2 hours ago that they tweeted that. Hodgie, I've traded my firstborn for AMC shares. There you go. Hodgie, 18%. Yeah, there you go, mate. Well done. Well done. I just want to stay on for half an hour, troops, and see if we start getting a little bit of a run up. It seems to take them about half an hour, 40 minutes to do whatever they're doing in the background, So we'll give it another 15 minutes or so, and see. I mean, we're already up. Why is it saying? So has that been adjusted down? Oh, it has, yeah. Who said that? Who said that was going to happen then? One of you clever clogs, wasn't it? It's been adjusted down. Oh, 95%. So a 95% game. There you go. Mark, you have to stretch out the dollar amount on the charts to make the candles look bigger. You want them like this, don't you? You want them like that? Can. No problem. Is it easier for you guys to see it like that? We're running again past 67. We are. We are, and it looks like we're running hard as well. My gosh, nearly 8% up in after hours, look. Oh, man. AMC will eventually hit 100,000 per share. Do you think so, Jacob? I mean, I hope so. Adam says he called the price spot on. What, 62, 55, Adam? If you did, mate, you can have the prize. 69.69, you rat bag. I mean, it's been right once today, hasn't it? Bigger candles, bigger gains. There you go. After hours traders live an amazing life. I think Robin Hood. I think they offer after hours trading, don't they? Half an hour or something, or pre market. I think they do 30 minutes pre market before market opens. Sims Keeper's in. Simsy, how you doing? Welcome back, buddy. Yes, exactly. What an absolute day. Who would have thought it, eh? This time last week, what we were sitting on, $12, something like that. Unbelievable. Jacob, AMC apes are smart. Make sure the hedges have zero room to do anything in the after hours. Yeah, exactly. Pin them in. 30 minutes before. There you go. Here we're going, troops. We're off. We are off to the races. Weeble has after hours as well, does it, Jacob? I'm just using the site, mate. That's all for the charting because I like the charting. I can't trade on Weeble. Wow, 69.69. There you go, Adam. You're in, mate. Look at that. You're the after hours winner. $750 million traded at 14.50. That's some serious bananas. There you go. Nailed it. Yeah, you did, mate. You got one. You got one. Congratulations. We'll sit and watch this for a bit, troops. $70. My gosh. We could actually get above the high of the day, 72.62. I think that's going to fall, isn't it? Hang on, boys awake. There we go, he was snoring. Oh boy. 289 the high in after hours for GME. Seven, 71.20 for AMC. When this hits 100k, what are you going to buy? Oh, Jacob, it's a very, very good question, my friend. I'm definitely going to buy some property for sure, and then I'm gonna build the retreat that I want to build. I call it a retreat. It's a respite centre for veterans. Get them out cycling, build some huts, and then get some bikes and arrange for veterans to come and have some chill time on a bicycle. Obviously, look after friends and family. Well, family first. I might just be the only person well, looking at the chatter across various social media sites, I'm probably the only person that's not going to buy a Lamborghini. Probably, and the only reason is because I couldn't get in and out of it with my bad back. A 2013 Honda Odyssey Jacob. Oh, a Honda Odyssey Jacob. Not It's not the name of the car. There you go. Pay off college loans, buy a car, and then get a house. There you go, mate. Do you know what annoys me though? Is people have got to pay off education costs so much. You know, dividend stock. Yeah, that's a good call, Si. The rest goes into crypto, so I make multi-millions, not just a million. There you go. Hodgie, I'm blowing it all on drugs and divorces. There you go. No Lambo, no way. It's stupid waste. There, good. I'm not on my own then. Squirrel, I might buy a little tiny Lambo just to have a souvenir. I know what you're going to do, Squirrel. You're going to open a tea brick company. Pay off the bookies. Maybe not. My leg's broke again. There you go. What? $83,000 of debt. I brought it down to 46. Well, kudos to you, Jacob, but that is just I can't get my head around how people can charge so much for education. Should be free. So the universities where I live are free. You go to uni for free. Yeah, exactly, Si. I agree with that. Being rich is one thing, ensuring family wealth is another. Be smart, exactly. Completely agree with that. You've got to put the money to work. Once you've got it, you've got to put it to work. Right, troops. Looks like it's settling down. for after hours. We've gone up to 71.23 and 2.89 respectively, but I'm going to knock it on the head. Go and make sure the boy's all right. Check how much money I've got in unrealised gains, of course. And prepare for another day tomorrow. Psychologically prepare myself. So, as always, troops, it's been an absolute pleasure to be with you. I'm going to try and shut down, but without cutting you all off, as has been happening the last couple of days or last couple of streams. So if you do see me just loitering for a moment, it's because I don't want you to get cut off mid-sentence. But listen, troops, I really, really appreciate you all stopping by. It's great to see the familiar names returning, and it's also great to see those of you that have dropped by for the first time, whether you've been lurking and just dropped into the chat or whether you've just dropped by for the first time today. I really, really appreciate every single one of you. I do mean that from the bottom of my empty wallet. All right. So wherever you are in the world, troops, please do take good care of yourselves. Take good care of your family. Don't let this stress you out. Go to bed, relax, enjoy the rest of your day. And I will see you again next time. Cheers, troops.